put it country simple, Earth has a lot of things other folks might want, like the whole planet. And maybe these folks would like a few changes made. Like more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and room for their way of life. We've seen this happen before, right in these United States. Your way of life destroyed the Indian way of life. Gave them reservations, didn't you? And my own position is ticklish. I'm with the invaders. No use trying to hide that. And at the same time, I disagree with some of the things they're doing.